Alright, in today's episode, I bought a strut bar on eBay for $100. This is what $100 gets you out of your back pocket. Let's have a look. Initial impressions. What can I say? A company called ProTune. Very expensive, I've heard. Let's just unbox it. Initially, it's very light. It doesn't feel like it's going to do anything. Part one. Let's unbox it. Unwrap it. I was over here, mate. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. Again. Sick of that. Alright. Wowee, very nice. Ooh, this looks a little bit groovy. I will say that the quality of the welds is, it's okay, it's structural. It's nothing to go on weld porn on Instagram, but hey, it'll work. I'm not sure what that filthy stuff is there, I don't really want to touch it. Alright, second one. It looks exactly the same, except it's got a bit more burger business on here. And yeah, it'll work, alright? Let's see if there's anything else in the box. Thankfully there is. Got a nice sticker. Actually, might be an air freshener. Can't smell it yet. Alright, this is the actual bit where the strut bar mounts to. So this goes on your top hat. Looks like it's made reasonably well. There's a few scratches and the welds, oh, those welds there, they're not really even structural. Look, they're not even touching that member there. But hey, it's probably better than no strut bar. And I can always return it if I don't like it. Adjustable. I didn't know, look at that. It's got an adjustable component to it. Very groovy. Oh yuck, there's some filth on it. Part two. Yeah, the welds do seem to vary a lot. Like on this side, it's probably gotten, like if it's it looks like it's been MIG welded, and they've used a bit more gas on this side than maybe this side, and this side here, and possibly, oh, it's hard to say there, but they've actually gotten a little bit too hot and it's melted part of the mount, which is really good. I mean, it's not going to break, but the mount's not very strong anymore, so yeah, there you go. So for $100, doesn't seem like it's going to be too bad. So let's throw it on the car. Alright. What is that noise?
It's coming from your car.
Time to put the mounts on it. Oh, what? How's that supposed to go on? Let's see if the other one at least fits. This one's completely off. I'm not even going to bother. Fit. This does not fit, does it?
Yeah. That sort of fits.
Yeah, but that's facing the wrong way.
Car?
Hey?
Are you sure it's for this car?
Yeah. Cheapest one on eBay. Oh, dude, are you serious? What a stitch up. Alright.
There you go.
That looks like it'll fit, right? This is where we come in. This is where we come unstuck, right? It's just a classic stitch up. Classic stitch up buying parts online for your car. They don't fit. There's probably at least 2 minutes worth of footage I can just be like, eBay strut bar fail. I'd probably get more views than if it wasn't a fail.
Probably.
There we are. Alright, so it's not going to fit without some modifications. So what I'm going to have to do is take this, grind a whole lot of it down, almost probably cut it in half, rendering half of it useless. Chuck it on, and then hopefully get a refund and get my money back. They told me it was just going to be a throw on sort of thing, more like throw away. There you go, $100 out of my back pocket. Someone's made, you know, a little bit of cash off me. Doesn't fit, I'm getting a refund. Alright, cut there. Come closer with the light.
That's crazy. Full disappeared.
That was not worth throwing that in there.
You just literally lost $50.
Oh, there it is.
Where? Oh,
That spider.
probably. Watch out for the snakes. Watch out for the snakes, bro.
Dude, there's no snakes. Alright, we will come back to this. Like and subscribe. Comment. Let me know how you feel about the video. if you bought one of these, let me know. Probably not going to make a difference. But do it anyway. Alright, stay tuned for next episode. Listen, we haven't achieved anything, but we'll probably still get views.
Do you reckon?
Yeah. Probably at least 30. Do you want to hold that?